Hello, this will be a brief tutorial on how to change the name of a shapefile in the ArcMap Table of Contents to quickly update the name of files in Legends. First, we'll start with a map, and we can see here in the bottom right corner of the screen I have a legend entry, and it is immediately reading the names from the Table of Contents. If we look at our Table of Contents, which will be on the left-hand side of your map when you're using ArcMap, you can see that the legend names come directly from the Table of Contents. For example, this file here, CUML2, CUM2, which is a spatial location represented by a point, has the same name here in the map legend. We can quickly change this. Notice here I've gone and typed the name Cumulative Incidence Week 2 Mean. That dot on the map represents a spatial mean weighted by this value, Cumulative Incidence Week 2. And that's a much more informative statement for the reader that may not know what those shorthand names mean. You can also see here, where this is highlighted in blue, I'm in the process of changing the name of this polygon file to something else. Now we can see, since I've updated both of my file names, the polygons to districts and that point to a cumulative incidence, now those names are clear for the reader, and the layers that have been renamed in the Table of Contents are also now named in the map legend. So, a quick tutorial, quickly change the name of the Table of Contents to the name you want. And again, to do that, you just simply left-click one time on the name itself, start typing, change the name, and those will update automatically in any legend entries that you've already added to a legend, or those will be the names that are added to a legend if you add one to your map layout. I hope this quick video was helpful, and if you have any questions, drop me an email.